Alright, so I just put on this new Kwikee step and it was acting in reverse. It would open out when you close the door, and when you open the door it'll retract. And you're like, what's going on, right? So basically what I learned, you have to replace the old switch with the new switch, because what they did was they changed it from a normally, forgot what it was, there's a normally open, but now the switch is normally closed, or vice versa, whatever the case may be. You have to change the switch in order for it to work properly. So that's a tip for you. If it's going opposite, once you put this new unit in, you have to get that switch in. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of make it easy. I picked up these little switches, and I kind of don't like to do those little crimps as much, just because kind of keeps slipping out. So I'm kind of trying this thing out to see if it does any better, and actually holds a lot tighter. So that's why I'm gonna use these little clippy deals. It's kind of cool, I like them, and I don't have to worry about it slipping out because it holds it really tight. Alright, and I'll put the link to the description in the description below to get these little. So even though you have a thicker wire and a thinner wire, it don't matter. Alright, there it is, and then I'm gonna test it before I slap everything back in, and then see how that works. So it should do what it needs to do. So I'm gonna yeah, I'm gonna go underneath and do it right now. See, I get what I get. Now there is power, so I need to be very careful that I don't get screwed here. That's disconnected. Yep. Okay. Just gonna pop this thing back in. I was testing the motor earlier. Make sure my arm's out of the way and everything else is good. So this should keep it open. Yep, and it stays open because that's what it's supposed to do. And then once I put the magnet back on, it should retract. Yes. There you go. So don't reverse the polarity of the thing. It just needs a new switch. Okay? Thanks for watching.